Let's divide 82 by 2.
Math Explorers, ready to conquer division. Smash that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud.
Alright, let's start dividing 82 by 2. We'll use the first div of 82. Where is it? We carry it ever to start our division. How many terms does 2 fit into? It. That's right, it's 4. Let's check. 4 multiplied by 2 is it? Perfect. Now we subtract it from it, which leaves us with 0. We're on a roll. You're doing amazing. We're one step closer to the answer. Now let's bring down the next divot, 2, to din our 0. Great job with the first step. Now we have 2 to work with. We bring down the next divot, 2, to make our new number. How many terms does 2 get into? 2. You got it, it's 1. Let's check. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Exactly. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. Woohoo! Fantastic work. We've reached the end of our division. And there you have it. We've successfully divided 82 by 2.
So 82 divided by 2 equals 41. Great job, everyone. We thus learned how to divide 82 by 2 step by step. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you're all doing amazing. Hurrah, you crushed that division problem. Keep practicing and exploring more fun math with Let's Stud. See you next time.